Controller Manager, which by the way would have launched Scheduler, would also launch other controllers in the network. Quite frankly, a cloud with just Scheduler isn't good enough. I want a replication controller, an endpoint controller, namespace controller, and service account controllers. There's a lot of plus controllers that you can write yourself. We wrote a few. The registry, for instance, was one that we've added. You can add additional capabilities right on top of the API server. It's one of the wonderful things you can do with Kubernetes. We actually share ours as an example of how to go about doing that.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.